Nanay,
What is it, son?
gusto ko lang ipaalam sa iyo na maaari ba akong magbukas ng Lazada account? Dahil gusto ko talagang magsimulang mamili online at bumili ng ilang mga cool na bagay.
Son, wait a minute. Aren't you too young to have your own Lazada account?
Pero bakit?
According to the rules of Lazada, no one below 18 should have their own account. You have to be at least 18 years old or older to have your own. You're only 9 years old.
Pero bakit? Gusto kong bumili ng mga bagay para sa sarili ko. Tulad ng pagbili ko ng mga bagay sa tindahan ng maraming beses.
We appreciate your independence and initiative, but online shopping is a bit different from buying things at the store. There are some rules and regulations about age restrictions for creating accounts on certain websites. How about if you ask me to buy things for you, under my account?
Never! I really want to have my own Lazada account because I am mature enough to buy things on my own, just like buying in sari-sari store.
It's true that you can buy things at the store by yourself a few times now, but you are still too young to have your own online shopping account. It's against the rules. And we might get in trouble by the government. Besides, you only have 9 years of life left for you until you are able to have your own account.
Look, big boy na ako ngayon at gusto ko talagang lumaki ng mabilis para maging parang profesyon ako.
Son, we talked about that earlier. It's correct that you are growing up, but you can't rush your own life. You are 9 years old, and you can't try to do adult things on your own.
I really want to do them on my own kasi malaki na ko ngayon. Bakit siya ipinagbabawal ng bata ang paggagawa ng sariling account at ko ay sumana sa ipinagbabawal?
That's because it's against the rules and terms of service, and your account might get removed for underage ownership. Trust me, I know what's best for you.
Stupid ka na ba? I am a big boy now, and yet you don't let me do grown-up stuff like having my own account and buying stuff there. And I hate being a little boy, and I don't like being treated like one.
Thomas, if you keep acting like this one more time, you will get a timeout for 10 minutes.
Ugh, fine then, but one day, gusto ko magkita sa iyo kung gaano ako lumaki na napatunayan.
Good. But you are now in timeout for 20 minutes for talking to me like that and asking me if you can your own Lazada account. Man, why is my only son so naughty, and keeps trying desperately to act more grown up beyond his age? I wish I can do something to help him act his current age. Like I will offer him toys, at the toy store, riding rides at arcades, or any other stuff that is suitable for his age.